it's Becca Castello, and welcome back to another episode of Mural Makeovers, where I transform homes, businesses, and anything else that has a wall with a beautiful custom mural. In this episode, I'm here in Palm Beach, Florida. Right behind me, I'm going to be transforming this building over here with a beautiful mural. The business, it's pretty cool. It's like a tattoo place as well as a billiards. So it's combined together to make a really cool like hangout where you can grab some beers, play some pool, get some tattoos done. Really unique concept. So I'm both really excited and nervous at the same time because this is going to be thus far my biggest project yet. So there's a lot of planning and logistics that go part of creating such a big mural. So I'm going to keep you along with me so you can understand the concept, and hopefully if you ever do a large scale mural, I can help you, kind of give you some tips and to kind of create something at that large scale. Make sure you stay tuned towards the end of the video so you can see how absolutely amazing this mural comes out. Today is day one. We're going to be blocking the colors onto the wall. The design's super cool. We're using like 4 primary colors. We're doing like a burgundy, a nice like golden yellow, a white on the black. And the first thing you need to do when you're doing especially a large scale mural, or pretty much any mural, is to have a design out. Before we draw out the design, we're kind of, as you see here, the design is kind of like blocked into different colors. So we're gonna measure it out, block the colors first, and then afterwards then we're gonna draw a design on top. That way everything looks more clean, crisp, and you just work a little more efficiently that way. So let's get started. So for the lines, I like to use a green tape. Now I'm sure you've seen the blue tape. Blue tape is fine, but if you want really nice crisp lines, then I would highly recommend getting the green tape. You can get this anywhere. Home Depot, Sherwin, any supply store, they have this. But this is gonna help kind of straighten out those lines and make it nice and crisp. Day one went well. I hate painting outside, it's so hot, but we got a lot accomplished. Able to measure out the wall, we blocked in the yellows and the reds too, got paint all over. Looked like just like beat up someone. But for the first day went fairly well. And then we're excited for day 2, so we add in the outlines of the characters and lettering and all that fun stuff to give it more detail. Put up the stenciling. Now I highly recommend having another helper with you when you're putting up the stencils, and then when you're also drawing the stencils, I recommend using a marker. The type of paint that we're using, it's like very glossy, so it's just much easier to kind of write out the stencil with a permanent marker rather than like a pencil or chalk. So once after we stencil out, then we can go in and color it in. Of course, this is the most tedious part of it. You have to make sure that it's balanced, that it's leveled correctly. So definitely having an assistant helps out a lot. So it's day 3. I'm exhausted. We're exhausted. This is a lot harder than what you think. We did the lettering, and just the lettering takes so much time. I'm a bit nervous because we're going a little bit like slow, but we're trying to get each part of the mural finished. This is a business, so it's not like we could like, okay, go over here, do it half-fast, and then go to the other side into the half-fast. Like whatever area we do, we have to finish it right there and then, which again takes a longer time, but thus far it is coming out amazing. Ready for day 4. day and it's pouring. It's not only pouring, but it's windy as well. Clears up a little bit. If not, then this was portion waste of day. All right, so this is day 6, and of course it's been raining. It was actually pouring a little while ago, and the weather app was like totally off. They said it was gonna rain later in the afternoon, but it actually was pouring all day since we've gotten here. So now it's drizzling, which is good. And let's see how much we're able to do today. Pouring. I'm cold. Today I'm freezing, and it rained on. Yeah, this pouring situation is just not. It's not working, but we're trying to make it happen. I mean, the good thing is we have that covering above us, so we've been able to get a lot done. I just run out of materials, out of tape, so I'm going to go ahead and get that. Thankfully, you know, Home Depot's right on the corner. So since it's pouring outside, I decided to take a little break and give you a tour inside of the business and get a drink along the way.
My role here is I'm the bartender for any drinks that they need. At the same time, we do have some regulars that play league here. They come in. We also have a dart league. It varies anywhere from like maybe like 20s to people that have been playing for 30-something years. Now with the outside, we'll be more recognizable when it comes to people that have never seen us that drive by, because regularly we do get new people that say, I didn't even know you guys were a tattoo shop, a pool hall, and a bar, you know, so we have all three. But I do love it here.
So I thought just to relieve some stress from all this rain and painting, I'll get a glass of wine before I start to go back outside. What day are we on? Day 8, I think. So we're on day 8. You see, we've been getting a lot done, but during the process, you know, we've run out of paint. They didn't have it at the paint stores. It poured on us, it rained. Then it gets super hot and beating down to almost pass out. Then my assistant falling off the ladder. What else? Running out of supplies and the store's not having those supplies, so pulling a whole mission. So far, it's been a blast doing this mural, and we are looking forward to finishing it in the next 2 days. Let's see. Take a little break. It is hot. I think it's over like 100 degrees right now. And the thing is, whenever you're painting something that's white, the light or the heat just bounces off of that. So we're painting and we're just getting like hit, and it's just hot overall. I'd rather paint in the rain than in this heat. Oh, the good thing is we're done with the stripes. We're done painting it. We're just gonna take off the tape, do some little touch-ups on the edges. I would definitely recommend when you're doing lines, I've gone to like 3 different tapes. The best one thus far is the green one over here. It's called the green frog tape. They have 2 styles. They have a green one and they have a yellow one. The yellow one sucks. it doesn't stick well, especially like after you paint. Like I use a lot of gloss in the paint. When you stick on it, it just comes right off. So the green frog tape is really good, and it just sticks right on. It helps sharpen those lines, so it's less, you know, touching up afterwards. We use the blue tape because we just ran out of the green tape. I think we literally gone through about 5 rolls of tape.
Maybe even 6.
Maybe 6 rolls of tape. It's ridiculous. So I was just like, this is the last strike. This is the damn blue tape, whatever. But yeah, so we're about 70% done. We're almost there, almost there. So I decided to go inside, take a little break from the heat, and get some inspiration for the next part of the mural, which is a girl with a piercing. What's your name?
Kevin.
Okay, and how long have you been working here?
2 years.
Okay, and what's your specialty?
Piercing. I stab people for fun. I mean, for work.
Day 9, as you see, it's pouring again. This is like the 3rd day in a row that it's been pouring, and it's absolutely annoying. I'm freezing, and the thing is, like, today the wind is blowing this way, so I'm like getting drenched. I'm freezing. Plus, at the same time, there's like a cold front coming in. So it's like that really like wet rain. We're really getting close to that deadline, and I'm worried that we're just not going to finish on time. We need to meet the deadline, so we need to kind of figure it out. So Pablo, how do you feel painting in this rain?
I love it.
So I had a little bit of an artist block when I was painting the tattoo part of the mural. So I decided, well, why don't I just go inside, escape the heat a little bit, and get some inspirations from some of the awesome tattoo artists that are inside. It's day 10 of painting this mural. Sore in places I've never been sore before. My knees are hurting like a freaking old person. And actually today there was a cold front, so not too bad, and it didn't rain on us, thank God, because it's been raining on us for the past 3 days. So we're hoping, we got a lot of progress done today, so we're hoping to finish tomorrow. It's coming out really nice. It's already bringing a lot more traffic to the business because you can kind of see it from this. Well, actually, it really pops out from the street, from the main road. So I'm really happy to not only to see it, but to hear it from the employees and bringing in more clients. So it's a win-win situation. And yeah, so if all goes well, hopefully we'll finish tomorrow. Fingers crossed.
I really like it. I feel like, well, because before it was like
You know, what tattoo shop is it? Oh, it's the one. It's right across from Napa Auto Parts. It's on North Military. This and that. Now we're like,
look for
it's the big red and yellow one. It's the big beautiful.
No lie,
one with,
dude.
like,
It's
stuff
really
on
fucking
it.
clean. I like it.
It's more inviting. It doesn't feel as.
It's amazing.
Yeah,
It
doesn't.
looks so much better than what it looked like before.
No, it's actually symmetrical and everything. Like, and it even tells you like pull side, our side.
It just
Kinda
goes
true.
with the whole like it goes with the inside how like they do tattoos and everything like that. It goes with their work and makes it all make sense.
It looked a little.
Instead of just a
Looked a
blank
little shady before.
building.
Kind of
No, but it
like.
looks beautiful now.
But-
Very
It
inviting.
grabs your attention. It reminds me of the old tattoo parlors.
Yeah. I smile when I pull up to work. I'm like, oh, look.
No, it's
I always
really
like see new
inviting.
additions, and I'm like, yay, it's gotten better.
This is Sal from Inkling Tattoos. So Sal, what do you think of the mural?
I think it's beautiful. I think it's going to bring work into the shop, and they really knocked it out really fast.
All right, great. What vibe does it give you?
It gives me a vibe like I might get ink.
Nice.
I'm done. Yes. Finally done. Beautiful.
Finito.
Finito.
It looks really fucking cool.
Looks cool, right?
Yeah, it looks really nice. Good.
Ciao ragazzi, abbiamo finito finalmente questo stupendo murales dall'artista qua, guarda, si chiama Becca Castel. Abbiamo lavorato insieme, tutti insieme appassionatamente.
Con Pablo Castello.
Sì, con Paolo Castello, direttamente da Bologna, nella bellissima Palm Beach, West Palm Beach, qui in Florida.
Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Also, I hope that you got a better appreciation for murals, especially outside murals, and you get to kind of see the ins and outs creating a large-scale mural. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Love to hear your feedback. And I will see you in the next video.